Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today's video is about Nifty 50 IT stocks with AI-powered fundamental analysis perfect for long-term investors. This part is a quick recap covering Nifty 50 historical data and fundamental analysis extracted using Python and stored in MySQL. We have used AI to generate summaries, stock tags, risk levels, and insights based on these fundamental data metrics. A custom Python script integrated with OpenAI GPT extracts the AI-generated summary, tags, risk levels, and insights and saves them into a MySQL database. Finally, the MySQL database is connected to Power BI for clear and interactive stock visuals. We also created measures to calculate returns using historical data, making analysis easy to understand. Stock name Infosys Limited. Current price 1515.70. AI risk level medium. AI tag growth. Price YTD 1856.38. Return YTD minus 18.35%. Price 1 year ago 1831.97. Return 1 year minus 17.26%. Price 3 year ago 1344.30. Return 3 year 12.75%. Price 5 year ago 820.74. Return 5 year 84.68%. AI summary. Infosys Limited INFY.NS is a solid investment option in the technology sector with a moderate pay ratio of 22.7788 and a promising forward pay ratio of 20.9582. The company demonstrates strong profitability with a high ROE of 30.36% and a healthy profit margin of 16.43%. Infosys also offers a decent dividend yield of 4.16%. and maintains a low debt-to-equity ratio of 8.894. While the earnings and revenue growth rates are not high, the company's consistent free cash flow indicates stability and financial health. AI insight. Infosys Limited shows potential for growth with stable profitability and a strong balance sheet, making it an attractive choice for investors seeking long-term returns in the technology sector. Stock name Tata Consultancy SERV LT. Current price 3135.80. AI risk level low. AI tag value. Price YTD 4052.77. Return YTD, minus 22.63%. Price 1 year ago, 4313.65. Return 1 year, minus 27.31%. Price 3 year ago, 2974.41. Return 3 year, 5.43%. Price 5 year ago, 2006.10. Return 5 year, 56.31%. AI summary. Tata Consultancy SERV LT TCS.NS is a well-established technology company with strong profitability indicated by a high ROE of 51.59% and a healthy profit margin of 19.24%. The stock is trading at a reasonable pay ratio of 23.04 to 1 and forward pay of 20.27 to 8, indicating a fair valuation. While the earnings and revenue growth rates are moderate at 6.0% and 1.3% respectively, the company maintains a solid financial position with a low debt-to-equity ratio of 9.714 and a strong current ratio of 2.262. AI Insight. TCS demonstrates solid profitability and financial health, making it an attractive value investment option in the technology sector. Stock name HCL Technologies Ltd. Current price 1490.10. AI risk level medium. AI tag growth. Price YTD 1862.90. Return YTD minus 20.01%. Price 1 year ago 1583.02. Return 1 year minus 5.87%. Price 3 year ago 814.10. Return 3 year 83.04%. Price 5 year ago 566.03. Return 5 year 163.25%. AI summary. HCL Technologies Ltd is a fundamentally strong company in the technology sector with a healthy pay ratio of 23.8111 and a promising forward pay ratio of 21.2144, indicating potential growth. The company boasts a solid ROE of 24.61% and a respectable profit margin of 14.23%. With a dividend yield of 3.62%, HCL Tech also offers returns to investors. However, the negative earnings growth of minus 7.7% and moderate revenue growth of 5.4% pose some challenges. AI Insight. HCL, despite strong fundamentals, keep an eye on the negative earnings growth and moderate revenue growth for potential impact on stock performance. Stock name Wipro Ltd. Current price 259.20. AI risk level low. AI tag value. Price YTD 294.45. Return YTD minus 11.97%. Price 1 year ago 257.29. Return 1 year 0.74%. Price 3 year ago 197.74. Return 3 year 31.08%. Price 5 year ago 130.44. Return 5 year 98.72%. AI summary. Wipro Ltd appears to be a solid investment opportunity with a reasonable pay ratio and attractive dividend yield. The company has a healthy profit margin and return on equity, indicating strong profitability. With a low debt-to-equity ratio and a current ratio above 2, Wipro demonstrates good financial health. While revenue growth is modest, the consistent earnings growth and free cash flow position the company well for future expansion. AI Insight. Wipro's strong financial health and consistent earnings growth make it an attractive value investment option in the technology sector. Stock name Tech Mahindra Limited. Current price 1461.90. AI risk level high. AI tag growth. Price YTD 1673.28. Return YTD minus 12.63%. Price 1 year ago 1500.02. Return 1 year minus 2.54%. Price 3 year ago 920.67. Return 3 year 58.79%. Price 5 year ago 601.22. Return 5 year 143.15%. AI summary. Tech Mahindra Limited TCHM.NS is trading at a moderate pay ratio of 28.5695 and a lower forward pay ratio of 22.6055, indicating a reasonable valuation. The company has a healthy profit margin of 8.51% and a decent dividend yield of 3.08%, providing some level of profitability and income for investors. However, the high debt-to-equity ratio of 7.287 raises concerns about the company's financial risk. With a strong earnings growth of 34.0% and moderate revenue growth of 2.7%, there is potential for growth in the future. AI Insight. Tech Mahindra Limited's strong earnings growth potential but high financial risk due to elevated debt levels.